Good morning, Jesus. Myself, Shiv Mishra from IIT Surat. So, for this hackathon, I had a think about something. It's like I face a problem. Like I myself a joint TNP secretary, as I saw during the internship or placement season that our means seniors maintain a like TNP officers maintain a Google sheet in which every time if any person got an intern or a placement, say do they enter in that in a Google sheet, or like they just highlight that guy and enter its stipend and offer of that company, and again short it according to this their salaries or stipend. So I found this like a very tedious way of doing this all things. We can like use like means our web application as well to maintain that database, and it wouldn't be like in Google Sheet just you can see that what is the ratio, or like what are total number of students got an internship. Instead of that, in a web application you can see many more things, like apart from a very well mannered data approach, like via extracting data from there, like who got placement or not got placement. Apart from that, you can see there like what is the via graph visualization of machine learning. We can see that at what scope or at what month and which company grabs the most, and this all things which we can see in our institute for our internship and placement things. So for this only, like I had made my application based upon this, so that like it will be helpful during the internship or placement season to do the things in a better computer way. Fine. So like this is my internship tracker, this is my college, SVNIT, NIT Surat. So basically, this is like a landing page in which like basic introduction is given. After that, there is a register. We had made two things. First, register is only for students of like who is applying for internship and whatever the things. If I go here, so like basically for register, they need to enter their name, admission number, CGPA, and resume link of their drive and their password. After that, they can register, and like after that, like they need to log in it and enter to it. It's only for students who is there for this. And like for TNP coordinators, if I talk about, so for them there is admin entry. The difference between admin entry and register is at only admin can edit the things, like change the company details, and those who had placed, so they change that what is the company of that offer, and like what is the salary and this all things. So basically the admin power is for TNP coordinators, and for which like I don't create too much things because there are 3 to 4 TNP coordinators. So I just created a password, so anyone just enter the password for that TNP who is the TNP coordinator, he can access this. Fine. He can access the edit part, and otherwise all other students can see the things in a view manner. Fine. So this is basic thing. After that, if I go to you, means like do not waste the time. So directly I had like means registered it login previously only. So this is like basically a student data. This is like data means like total number of students in a class, like I made in a row of 4. Fine, there are many. So like all the students who is there in a computer science department or anyone, so like their data is there, like their CGPA, name, admission number. Basically admission number is the main thing, and like full data is there. And if I show that, if I go to the place, so for that also I had made that who are the means students got the placement till now, or we can say an internship till now. So you can see admission number, name, CPA, and this company and stipend thing which can be edited, and this all power is for admins only. So you can see that that person got like JP Morgan's his stipend, and this like Microsoft, Google, and this all things. So he is placed, so anyone can come and see that like who got placed, or like it's very easy to see the things in a very simple manner. Their CGP and this all things, you can short as well, and based upon their salary, and like search as well. And apart from that, like you can download also, export also that Google sheet or a PDF. fine. So basically this is the thing. And apart from that, if I talk about like for unplace also, like I had made the manner so that TNP coordinators, they can focus more upon that student as well, like their ratio, their college ratio, that this is like total unplaced student till now. So for that, there no modification is there, like means like didn't get till now. So this the things. And apart from that, I had made a statistics page, so via which anyone can visualize that what is like when the company arrived. So I basically made a graph as well as a like bar graph, and this all things that student plays during which month, and this things is there. So basically which give a basic statistics of for juniors as well, that in which month the major company is coming, they need to focus upon their internship and like for their DSA preparation and those all things. So like this is like very basic things I made it, and it's like for 36 hours. So like I made like that one from scratch. And apart from that, there are many things which we can include in this. Like I also planned many things, but till now I hadn't able to do. But like this is what I face a problem in my institute, and as well as many institute third tier, or many institute which currently they are handling Google Sheet and this all things. So like their students can innovate these things so that like things will be easy and like it will be better. So this is what about my project. Thank you very much.